Hey, I wanted to show you guys, especially Trevor, one of the questions he had, or at least the comments that he made, were about applying lights on the 2D scene. And so I went ahead and did a test with a sprite. So the crater here is basically a sprite in Unity. It's a two-dimensional sprite, but I was able to create a normal 3D material and add that as the main texture. And so this is a plane back here set to sort and work with the 2D elements in the scene, which it does. And so now it can react to lights since we're using a 3D object with a material and a shader that supports lighting. So with that, let's take a look at the game. Game over here. Go ahead and start. And as you can see in the background, or this one particular element that's a true plane and not just a 2D element, the light that's emitted from the bubble is then used against the material. So in this scenario, it could be like a kind of a cave, a cave level where elements aren't really lit until we actually get there. So maybe some bad guys like an eel or something blocking your way, you just wouldn't really see it until you got to that point. And you'll see that the angler's lights also light up the scene because they're also a 3D light. So anyway, that we can actually light some elements like that, some 2D elements with real lighting, and that would be a really cool effect. So I don't know, take a look at this and let me know what you think.